National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Dickinson County in central Kansas, west central Geary County, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Chapman, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and baseball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. At 7:09 p.m., train spotters reported a rotating wall cloud between Enterprise and Interstate 70. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Junction City, Chapman, and Moonlight. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 280 and 295. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.